Morning everyone, it's Sue. Today I'm just here to do an unboxing of the January mystery box. So the months come around so quickly, don't they? This is the collage for this month, and every month we give away a free box, so the winner will receive a collage very similar to this in their box, and they just have to contact me via email. So everything is included in the letter. So we still have a few boxes left, so if you're interested in that you can head to the website and purchase them. Everybody should have received their box by now, I think. If you haven't, you may want to just watch this later if you don't want to see what's in them before you open yours. Okay, so I always include a letter. I'll just pop that to the side, and this is what it looks like inside. So lots of different bits and pieces. So every month I include some sweets, some lovely marshmallows. I'm just going to pop the box to the side and I'll pull the bits and pieces out. And also a tea, and I don't think I put a tea in my own box. I didn't. I always put a flavoured tea in there as well. I missed putting one in mine. Anyway, that's okay. So, okay. So this is the washi tape. Now everybody gets not necessarily exactly the same. So in mine, I have different shades of pink and purple. They'll come in really handy, especially with my favourite colour being pink. Let's just make sure that I'm in frame here. Okay, so we've got this cute little embossed bag with some gold elements there. Just grab some scissors. And once again, I always try and do the packaging so that you can reuse them in your projects, your journals or your scrapbooking, whatever it is that you do. So I just trim the top. And in this little packet, we have some vellum stickers. These are really sweet. So mainly of a purple colour, purpley colour. They match nicely with that actually, don't they? So you get a nice selection of different stickers. I love vellum stickers. They love beautiful on collage and just on the edge of a page or on a journaling card, that type of thing. So nice selection there. This fun little spotty bag, and I've just put a gold seal on this one. And in here we have some more beautiful vellum stickers, and these are all roses and sprigs. It's all different sizes, little flowers. Borders. So teacup, these are actually from Uniquely Creative. So a huge selection of beautiful washi stickers there. Won't show you all of them individually, so you get the idea. So they're really nice. Another little packet here that I've just collaged and stamped on. Of obviously added the glue. Oh no, I thought I'd added the glue so far down that I had to cut it further down. So some more washi stickers. Now these are very different. You're probably thinking, oh, how many washi stickers do you need? As I said, they come in very handy once you start using them. They don't take long to use up, so these are really sweet. They're all upside down and roundabout. So yeah, just something a little bit different. They're cute. There seems to be a little bit of a gold theme happening this month. It didn't mean to be that way, but that's what happened. So I've just stapled this gold trim on here. I'm going to take that off, so that can be used as layering in your collage. And I think I'm just going to trim the top of that off. No, because I won't, because there's bits and pieces that go right to the top. So I'm going to try and actually, I don't have a staple remover, so I'll just do it this way with my scissors. I've obviously glued that as well, so just beware. Sometimes some of the bits and pieces will stick right to the top. I always hold it up to the light and just trim the very top. So in this one we've got sort of, it's like they're like washi strips, I guess, but they're what am I trying to say? So they're like washi strips, but they're just paper. They're stickers, but they're just like a paper weight. I'll just show you. Just to give you a bit of an idea. So they're sort of a little bit like that washi, but not as transparent. So they're just different coloured florals, so in your pinks and your purples, and all different shapes and sizes. So some with jagged edges, some with straight edges. So they're very handy just to have as a little decorative piece as well. So I've got this little packet here, and this is the stamp for the month. And it is actually this stamp here, the postcard stamp. So it's really sweet. So you can make your own miniature postcards. So in each box I like to include a stamp and a washi tape and a fibre of some sort. So speaking of the fibre, there's 2 different types of ribbons that were put in the box this month. This is one of them. And it's just a lovely subtle grey with some little daisies on it. So there's always a metre, sometimes depending on the ribbon or the fibre, there's 2 metres or more. Okay, so going with the gold theme, I've also included some gold flakes, which is fun. Just so that's what these are here that I've used in this collage, done gold, and that the other little bag, the embossed bag with the gold flakes. So that's what I've used. We've got a gold brad here. It didn't mean to be a gold theme, but it just happened that way. Okay, and these beautiful rose tiles. Aren't they stunning? I hope you can see them. It's just a beautiful selection of rose tiles. And these are stickers as well. Oh, I did put a tea in. There's my tea. It's fallen to the bottom. So it's a nice organic grapefruit. So we've got this little bag here with a butterfly, and it's secured with a brad. And we've got some beautiful acetate stickers here, and they're of beautiful pink, pink butterflies. Very slippery. So these are always really handy to have in your stash as well. They're alive, they keep flying everywhere. So some beautiful, beautiful ones there. So it's probably the light shining on that, sorry. So some beautiful pink butterflies. And last but not least, have another little packet with a butterfly on. And we've got some tickets. Whoops. So quite a few tickets. So you can coffee dye, tea dye these if you like. You can ink them. You can do whatever you wish. They perforate. They perforate, and you can just tear them off and just use individually, or they perforate and you can use just the little ends, and even this end perforates and comes off as well. So that's what you've got there. So you can use all those individually, or can just use it as one full ticket. Okay, and of course we do have a little bit of confetti. So I like my confetti. Not everybody does, but I don't put heaps in there. So that's the box for January, guys. I hope you really enjoy it. I'm keen to actually use them. I'm going to be doing, I know I've said this before, but 2023, new year, I've got lots of plans. So I'm going to be using these boxes so that you can see how I use them. And as I said, all the little bits and pieces are really great for collage, decorating your tags, and cards for your journals, or even just a page in your journals. So hopefully you enjoyed the January box. As I said, there are a few left over. There are a few still left from some previous months. So if you like what you see and you wish to build your stash of supplies, they're not a bad way to actually do that. So thanks for watching, guys. Excuse me. Until next time, hope you enjoyed that. Take care, and I hope you get a little bit of creative time in. See you soon. Bye-bye.